the same thing over and over again so that you can make the judgment. So even though I say make it the same, you at your end, when I'm doing it like this, you feel the luxury to add the 5 and 10 pips. You know that this is a structure you're going to add. But to maintain our consistency, we have to put that, because that tells us, again, it will drill it in our minds how strong this price point is, or how weak we can identify the hierarchy, okay? Because that will affect your trading decision when you are in a trade. Okay, so we did all of them. So we have another 10 minutes. What do you want, guys? Now, gold is not part of this, but anyway, if I have time, I'll do it. What else, guys? Any currency? Any guys in the with us want any currency? Anything that any of you guys? Okay, let's do the pound Swiss, and we'll do the euro pound, and then I'm going to do the stay away from the CAD, Carlos. What I've been saying. I mean the CAD now. So let's do the pound Swiss and the euro Swiss, and then now remember we had a sell signal in the Swiss, and you have seen how weak the Swiss is, and even though the pound has been on a tear to the downside, look at this. So even though both of them are on a sell, but now we have a good setup on the pound Swiss, and that was a good buy for us. So in this case, let's see where we can initiate a buy on this. This is quite a good setup. I mean, that's a strong signal for the pound. And this, I'm sorry I can't read your name, but this tells you that the Swiss is selling off, and by subordination or whatever, by direct correlation, you'll see that the pound should also be, the gold should be coming down. So we are going to buy the pound above 144.80, and if we do, unfortunately we have to put our stop here. It's going to be a wide stop below 144.18, so we're risking about 70 pips on that trade, and we have a structure point here of 143.97, which is, you have this one daily low which is 143.74, so this will be our selling point. We're going to sell it right here because it's also my structure. Actually, no, I'm gonna, this is my selling point over here, because you see all these layers. So I'm going, let me put this, I'm going to go short below 143, because you see this was our buy signal from last week, 143.97. it closed the week at 144.53, so you're up 60-70 pips. So now this is going to be our selling point, but I'm going to give it an extra 30 points to be on the safe side. So it's going to, I'm going to use the 69 instead of the 97 because of all these layers. And on the buy side, I'm going to buy it above 144.60. and if I buy it above 144.60, my stop is below 144.18, and if I go short below 143.69, well, you can bet I don't want it to go anywhere, because this is as good as structure. I don't want it to get above 143.69, and my structural short is going to be the 143.97. I'm going to keep it. Okay, and my structure long is the 145.35. Okay, so the pound Swiss we're going to buy above 144.60, and if we do, structure long, I did it upside down. That's my long point. My structure, I did upside down. This is my structure long is 145.357. My structure short is the 143.97. Alright. So we're going to buy the pound Swiss above 144.60, and my structure long is 145.35, so we have about 80 pips from there. And if I do buy it, I'm using about 50 pips stop on the trade, and I have my stop below 141.18. And if I'm going to go short, I'm going to go short below 143.69, and my structure is 143.97, and if I go short below 143.69, it's going to be one and the same. I'm going to use it as a stop. So I'm going to do this in the sake of consistency, Carlos. Alright, that is the pound Swiss. Okay, let me save this.